Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This week I have a few events to bring you guys to, and also a Galentine's with my family at the end of the week. Going out with some friends on Saturday, and right now I'm currently working on my remote leash. I'll show you that in a minute. Today is currently Monday. I have off today, so I'm filming for this week, but I wanted to pop on here and do my intro for you guys for this current vlog that you guys will see on most likely today, Monday. But yeah, enjoy the vlog. So here are the finals for the remote leash. This is going to be the small size and the green. So you have your clip here, and then you can attach it if you want to this hook right here and make a loop, or just leave it. And then it goes all the way here. And it has this little tab that you can cut to size, and you could peel the adhesive sticker off and then stick it to anything. Or if you already have a loop on your remote or whatever you're using it for, you can just hook it right into there. This sticks to anything, lighters, vapes. People said they wanted it for remotes, so it's perfect. This is the green, personally one of my favorites. Then we have the pink. I made this in the extra long. And then we have the blue, which, you know what, it's a tie between these two for my favorite. I'm such a blue girl. And then I have the white, which is the medium size. And I'm going to work on the black. So those are the 4 colors that I'm going to launch with. These are the finals. I'm super excited. Now I just kind of have to figure out the social rollout and get the images up on the website, and we should be good to go. Hi guys, it is Tuesday. I just left work. I'm headed to 2 events. One is with Ashford and Miyu. The second is with Osa Phone Cases and Allison Liu. They're actually down the street from each other, which is perfect. So I'm headed to Ashford and Miyu first. I'll pop in, and then I will go to the Osa one, and then I need to head home, have dinner, and Tell Me Lies is on tonight. I feel like I always start my Tuesday vlogs with saying that, but I'm very excited. And I also have a ton of freelance work to catch up on, so that means my night ahead is TV, food, work. Okay, I just finished at that event. I'm walking to the next one. It's literally like 7 blocks away, and I need to get my steps in for the day. But I just passed the Met Museum, and I literally want to go in so bad. It's like my favorite place ever. It's actually where Daniel asked me to be his girlfriend, which was so cute. In front of my favorite painting, by the way. Let's not forget how cute that was. But yeah, we're headed to the Allison Liu event now. Oh, this store is the best. It's called Eat Gifts. They have the cutest stuff in there ever. But tomorrow at work, we are having like a little Valentine's Day situation where everyone's bringing a treat. I'm not sure what to bring. I have to figure that out. I don't have time to make something. I am so busy lately, but yeah, I'm excited to see what this next event is about, and then I'll see you at my apartment. We're making a phone charm. Look how cute. I think I'm gonna we're doing CJM Bedazzle Heart. It's so cute. Look at that. So cute. Guys, her jewelry is so cute. Wow, we have bonbon, best cookies. I know. What is this?
Oh my god! That is firecrackers.
What is firecrackers? Give us a rundown. Is it?
They're spicy like ranch chili.
I'm sorry. I got home from work and changed because I'm headed to a Needlepoint event. I'm so excited. This is my first Needlepoint event. It's with What's the Stitch, who I love. Emma, if you're watching, obsessed with you. And I pulled out my great grandma's fur that that I'm like now obsessed with. And my cute little bag from the horse with the Hermes Twilly. So we're gonna go there, and then I need to figure out dinner. Tell Me Lies was insane last night, by the way. It's like getting so crazy. I don't know what to do with myself. But yeah, let's go needlepoint. Guys, this is like my dream event. Look at all the needles. Oh my god, dream couch. All the needlepoint pillows. So good. Guys, I am literally so happy to be here. Oh my god, how cute. Okay, so I just finished some freelance work. I am watching the new Love is Blind season. It is 10:30. It's almost my bedtime. I'm exhausted. I had so much fun at the Needlepoint event, but I need to go to bed, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, happy Friday. I did not film a second of yesterday, Thursday. I was drowning in Max Mara and freelance work, so it was such a busy day, and then Daniel came in and drove me back to Jersey, his house. So it's now Friday. I had a half day at work, so I finished up some work, and now I'm headed to my parents' house in Jersey. It's like an hour drive, so I'm about to leave, and I get to see my dogs. I'm so excited. I have a Galentine's later at my aunt's house. It's gonna be all the girls, my mom, sister, cousins, grandma, friends. It's gonna be so much fun. I got so much stuff from Butterfield to bring and some PR, so it's gonna be super fun. We're gonna play games and eat and all that good stuff. And then tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Me and Daniel don't really have any plans. It's our friend's birthday tomorrow, so I think we're gonna go to the city and celebrate. And then Sunday, I think we're gonna see Wuthering Heights together. So that's kind of like our Valentine's Day, and then like we exchange little things. But yeah, what else? I am so excited to go home, see the dogs, Galentine's, eat good food. I need it after this long, crazy busy week. I think that's it. Let's go drive home. Look who it is. It's baby Quincy. Oh my goodness, I miss you. It's my other baby. Number one. And number 3. Hi, River. Oh, you're gray on your chin. All right. Okay, so we're here. I brought my Butterfield cupcakes. Everything looks so cute. Brought my bonbon, this little cake, these strawberries I brought. Cass was the baby. Look at her pajamas. I can't. Wow, it smells amazing. How cute. I know. Oh my god, we all have names. Stop. Obsessed. How cute.
Where's the thing?
Oh my god, these to put a little Polaroid in.
There's one right here.
Oh my god. Obsessed. Clips.
Look at her hands. It's so short.
No. Okay, we're decorating some hair clips and Polaroids.
No, but that is a thing. Oh my god.
Happy Saturday. It is Valentine's Day. I'm about to make a matcha and finally do some errands down the shore, which is my favorite thing to do. I'm gonna go to Target. I'm going to go to the mall maybe, and then maybe my favorite needlepoint store. This is literally just like a day for myself. Daniel works on Saturdays, so he's not home, but last night he surprised me with this beautiful bouquet of roses and a lovely card, and he told me I get to pick out my own jelly cat because all the ones I wanted were sold out. He knows me too well. Sweetest thing ever. I got him like a little basket of like candy, deodorant, this new toothpaste we've been wanting to try, a gift card. So we exchanged last night, but I'll see him tonight. It's our friend Dom's birthday, so we're all gonna go out. But I need to make my matcha. I have no oat milk left, so I think I'm going to pack it in my little jar, bring it to Target, and have them give me just like a cup of oat milk, and then I'm gonna transfer it in. But I don't know where my little jar is. I'm using this Hawa matcha that I got from Butterfield Market. They're selling matcha now, which is great. And I actually really like it. It's not too badly priced, which had me skeptical, but it's really good. The color's amazing. I found my little jar, but I can't find my lid. Oh, here's my lid. Yay. Matcha shot jar. Ooh. Not good. I need a bigger one. I'm just gonna put it in my big one. Let's go. Here we are. I just filmed myself pouring the shot in here, and I did not press record, but I got my oat milk and my shot in here. Okay, this is what the cart's looking like so far. Paper, plates, tissues. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. I'm gonna make a blueberry matcha in this for a TikTok. Just some like basic refreshes. This was a cool brand I wanted to try. Love these for my face. Needed a new razor. That's how it's going. So I just got home, showered, and made a little late lunch of these Butterfield heart-shaped raviolis. So cute. So I'm gonna eat these, and Daniel's gonna be home soon, so we're gonna leave for the city, and I'm gonna get ready and go out for the night. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday Fun Day minus the football. First, no football in a long time, but we are still hanging with Bridget. We're waiting for them. We're gonna go grab some coffee. We're here with just Daniel right now. And my ears feel like they're gonna fall off because they're so cold. Okay, the crew is back. Squad, Sunday squad. Minus Danielle and Lewis, of course. Ooh.
Show me the lens.
Yeah.
This looks so nice. Wow, guys.
It really is.
I think try. Did you food? Oh, they go. Right. That would be great.
What is that?
Six.
Yeah.
West Side Highway walk. Okay, we're on our way to go see Wuthering Heights in theaters. I'm so excited. Just me and Daniel, a little V-Day date. We just left Mitch and Bridget. And yeah, we're gonna go watch it, and then I'm gonna get some errands done today. I do have off tomorrow, which is great. So a lot to get done before the work week, but yeah, let's go watch it. I'm so excited. Okay, I left Wuthering Heights bawling, sobbing my eyes out. It was so good, so good. A lot of people were like giving mixed reviews, but I loved it. Even Daniel shed a tear, so that says a lot. I thought it was amazing, but it is currently Monday now. Last night, I just chilled, and what did I do? I watched Traders and just hung out. And now today's Monday, we have off today, so I'm gonna start my new vlog here today on to the next week. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.